looking longingly.
Okay, Drew.
Hey, Trey.
Welcome.
How are
We're
you
here
doing today?
Good. Couldn't be better. We're playing.
I know, right?
Yeah,
Finally.
9 holes of golf with me. It's going to be incredible.
Be epic.
Yeah. So in our other lessons that we've had this summer, we've talked a lot about controlling ball flight.
Yes.
Right? And we know for a fact that you hit a lot of things right to left. No way, right? So for us, again, the first tee shot has such a big thing or such an important part of our round. It really sets the pace for it. So our opening tee shot, it has a big momentum piece that we're trying to build. What I'm getting at is that, so with our right to left ball flight, we want to pick a very specific target that allows that ball space to turn, because we know it's going to happen. So, for example, we're on hole number 1 here at the Vail Golf Club. You've played here before. You do have a lot of trouble left.
Yes.
Which is unfortunate.
Very.
So,
not a good first opening shot.
No. So really what we're getting at is that we want to pick a specific target. For some players, it's down the left side of the fairway. For us, my recommendation is somewhere along the left side or the right side of the fairway, even into the right rough, just to ensure that it stays in play.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And how about, where should I start on the tee box for it? Because I just like to set up in the middle for it normally. For me, just because it gets me straighter down the fairway versus starting left or right for it.
So my preference for a player who plays it right to left is teeing from the left side of the tee box.
Okay.
The reason for that is it gives you just a little bit more space to allow your left to right or your right to left ball flight to curve, because we know it's going to happen. For example, I play a left to right ball flight, pretty much the opposite of you. I actually tee up from the other side of the tee box, the right side. Give it more space to turn into place. So really important for us to, as we're kind of prepping for our first tee shot of the day, especially as we get into tournament play, to really visualize what you're doing. One idea that I've always done is on the driving range prior, I kind of play the first couple holes in my head, what I assume my second shot will be, what I assume I'm going to take my tee shot with. And from there, that preps us for that hole. So you can imagine hole 1 in your mind, and that is going to allow you to better prepare yourself for the golf course, because we always feel pressure on the first tee. Especially if you're playing with me, I'm pretty scary.
Very intimidating.
Very intimidating. Yes, I get that a lot. But really, it's like play your ball flight, pick a very specific target, and in the words of Harvey Penick, aim small and miss small. If you have a very specific target, if you miss that target by a little bit, you're fine. If you miss it by a big amount, it's great. If your goal is to hit it in the fairway's big and wide.
Yeah.
You could miss the fairway and still be in the schmutz.
For sure.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and try it out then.
Let's do it.